Welcome to Coding Arena. In this video we are going to talk about TCS Hiring. It is hiring through National Qualifier Test. Test date will be onwards from December 25th. Application will be closing on December 15th. So if you want to apply and grab a job in TCS, you should apply before 15. Let's talk about who can apply. Undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma students who are in their pre-final, final year or have passed out. Students with any degree and specialization. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience. Let's talk about benefits and other details about this exam. National Qualifier Test is a multi-level assessment to assess the following competencies and skills to generate an associated score. NQT is a prerequisite for all the tests. Validity of NQT score is 2 years. Mode of test will be online or maybe offline, you can choose any option. Candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. Another benefit of this exam is that you can also apply to another companies using this score. Let's talk about the selection process. There are 3 rounds, let's talk about every round. So the first round starts with written test, or we can say MCQ round. This single round is divided into many parts. Aptitude test. It consists of 4 rounds. First is email writing, 1 essay in 10 minutes. Second is quantitative ability and reasoning ability, in which you have to do 20 questions in 40 minutes. Third is programming language efficiency, 10 questions in 20 minutes. And last is coding test, 1 question in 20 minutes. So let's discuss about every round. Let's start with email writing. You will be given instructions and a set of keywords. Follow the exact directions, and use all the keywords in the same order as listed in the question. Omit all unnecessary details from your email. Your answer should be a minimum of 50 words. The ideal length is 70 to 80 words. Sometimes, the word length is mentioned in the question. Avoid spelling errors and typos, big words and complex sentences, keep the writing crisp and to the point, and remember to use accepted norms for salutation and signing off. Now let's discuss analytical reasoning. This section tests your quantitative and reasoning ability. Time management is critical. Try and solve the easy questions first before attempting the difficult ones. There are certain star questions that carry more marks. Don't get stuck on these unless you are confident of solving them quickly, since it could upset your time management. Instead, return after solving the easy questions. Now let's discuss programming language efficiency. This is a new round introduced by TCS, where candidates must answer 10 multiple-choice questions on C language based on basic programming concepts. And now coding test. This test is of the command line programming type, where candidates are required to solve 1 programming question in 20 minutes in C language using an inbuilt online compiler. Prepare for basic programs like leap year GCD, Fibonacci series, HCF, LCM, odd/even series, etc. After clearing written test, you will be moved to next round, which is interviews. Interview is also divided in 2 rounds. First is technical round. Choose 2 domains or technologies as your specialization and study them in depth, including new versions and updates. Cover the general programming concepts. Knowledge of C language is a plus. Be prepared for detailed questions on the projects you've worked on. You could also be asked to write programs during the interview. Second and final will be your HR round. This is where they assess things like your attitude and fitment in the company, apart from informing you about the terms and conditions of employment. Expect standard HR questions on why you want to join the company, why you think you're a better choice than other candidates, your strengths and weaknesses, apart from behavioral questions. In the interview rounds, remember that you are constantly being judged on your confidence, personality, and soft skills, so remain calm and make an effort to be pleasant even if you are under strain. for more information on handling the interview. While the recruitment process may seem quite rigorous, a few weeks of preparation could give you a good shot at getting selected. So prepare well and apply. It could be an ideal launch pad for your career. If you want to learn Python, then go to my channel. You will find Python free course.